Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you guys a Barbie fried chicken. Now here you see a list of my ingredients that I'll be adding to this recipe. Now I've made one before, but I decided to do it another time to let you guys see how I take the steps of adding my seasoning and everything. Let's go. First I'm gonna add some salt, and this time I'm using my measuring utensils. Make sure you have one at home. Here is my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. This is a Jamaican seasoning. I'm going to add my measurements in the description box below. Now I'm just going to go through now and add my cayenne pepper, just to add a little kick to it, because you know I love my spices. And I think I'll add some more. Now guys, make sure you have gloves at home when you're doing your seasoning of your meat and your preparation. You can just wear your gloves. Now I'm gonna add a little black pepper. Look at that. And my heavy cream, or if you have milk, because I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours or maybe overnight to let this brine soak in. Guys, I'll be using 2 eggs, which I left out on the display, but I added in off camera. There's my hot pepper. Well, it's not really hot, guys, but I don't know why they call it hot pepper. Okay, that nice brine. Now I'm going to rub it in. And when you leave your meat overnight, guys, or for a few hours, and that herb and spice soaking, it gives your meat a nice taste. You know, everything is just blended in and leave to soak in the refrigerator for roughly, say, 30 minutes. You can get a nice soaked meat. Pressing it down, make sure everything is covered. I'm gonna get rid of my gloves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this up now and put it in the refrigerator for, as I say, maybe 30 minutes, or depending on when I choose to cook this, maybe in the morning for Friday dinner. Alright guys, gonna put it up. Look at this little thing. Here's my chicken being fried. Let's get this show started. Here I have my butter and my chicken that's been in the refrigerator. My oil is being heated up. Let's start this show. First to go in is the leg. You just want to roll that around in the butter. Shake off the excess flour and then add it to your dish. Sorry about the focus on the phone. I don't know why it keeps going in and out of focus. So you just want to just gradually add your pieces, flour it, then you lay it in the plate on the side while the oil is being heated. Now guys, I don't really know who invented this recipe, but I've done it a few times and it is delicious. What you do is you just fry the chicken, then you add it to a bowl or a pan, and then you just mix your barbecue sauce, which is any sauce of your preference, and then you coat it and just put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. And there you have your Barbie fried chicken, which is 2 types of cooking of the chicken in one. You fry it and then you barbecue it. Hence the name Barbie Fry. Now this is the tedious part of this recipe where you have to be coating all the chicken. So most of it, guys, I'll be doing off camera, but I'm just doing these to prep and add them to the fire to let you guys see how the recipe proceeds. Coat it. Some persons use the shake method where they add it to the bag or to a bowl with flour and shake it up. I prefer to do it this way. As I said, guys, I have added 2 eggs to the mix. I normally would use my milk for the batter, but I only had heavy cream. That can use as well. It's a lot of chicken. So guys, please leave in the description box and let me know how you love this video. Please remember, guys, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I have a playlist with a list of ingredients that I've been doing for over the past year that I've started my channel. You can go through my playlist and see various videos that I've done coming up to this point. Now let's get this frying started. Just to add a few pieces, not to crowd up the pot, because when you put in too much, the temperature drops and then your chicken would be soaked in more oil than frying. So this time just 5 pieces, that's it. I have my deep fryer, but sometimes because it uses too much oil, you have to fill it with the oil, and then so I tend to use the pan. Want to turn them now because we don't want them to be dark. I'm gonna turn down the stove right now. Maintain the temperature. Here's a few that I've taken out already. How do you guys love it? Leave it in the comment section. Now I'm going to just continue to fry the rest. Guys, my barbecue sauce, honey and smoke. So what I'm going to do is mix this together and then add my chicken to the glass bowl. No particular order as usual. You just add them. So while the rest of my chicken is being fried, I'm going to just go ahead and take them out and add to the bowl. This is a lovely recipe, guys. And as I said, you can try it at home if you wish. Now I'm just going to get my brush and start coating. Imagine cooking it 2 in 1. You fry it and you barbecue it. Add your twist to it, guys. Very easy, very, very easy. So my oven is being preheated, 350. So when I'm done, I just add them to the oven. 20 minutes. Because remember, you've already fried the chicken, so it's cooked. It's just to get the sauce, the barbecue sauce marinated in the chicken by heating it up. Look at that. Adding it to the oven. When next you see me, you want to join me when the recipe is done. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Look at this, guys. Wonderfully done. And as I said, my Barbie fry chicken recipe.